Another great feature that we're excited to share with you about Google Sheets and spreadsheets in general is what we might call pattern spotting, as well as relative and absolute references. We'll give you a fun example to see how this plays out. I'm going to move to the pattern spotting relative tab. I've already pre-populated it with day of the week, date, and place. I can just click on the column and then press shift and press on the other column, head up to horizontal alignment and go center, and it will take everything in those columns and make them center aligned. I am planning a trip. I'm going to go to Mexico for a month. I want to have an itinerary. What day of my trip is it? What day of the week is it? What date is it? And where am I going to be on that day? So what I'm going to start with is just what day of my trip is it? I'll put 1 and then 2, and I could keep going down, 4, 5, 6, I could. But what might be more effective is to click on these values. You need at least 2, and then click in the bottom right-hand corner on that dot and drag. And by dragging down, I will get to the days that I want. Picked up the pattern that I was just rolling up in sequences of 1. Let's say that my trip happens to be starting on a Thursday. Of course, the next day of my trip would be a Friday. Instead of rotating around Thursday, Friday again and again, I am going to click drag down, and I now have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the spreadsheet picked up on the pattern. I'm going to just say that my trip starts on June 11 and then June 12. This time I'm going to do something a little different. I am going to double click in the bottom right-hand corner instead of clicking and dragging down. Google Sheet knows when to stop. It knows that I have this adjacent value here, and so it automatically stops for me. Finally, I'll do something of this nature with the place. I'm going to spend some time in one of my favorite places, San Miguel. I go to San Miguel on day 1, which is Thursday, June 11. And then what I'll do in the next cell is I'll just make 2, 3. Let's say that I am going to spend a good chunk of my days in San Miguel. On day 15, I'm going to go to Mexico City. I'm going to spend 4 days in Mexico City. It's finally a place that I've not been, but I'd really like to visit, Oaxaca. I'm going to spend the rest of my time in Mexico in Oaxaca. Once again, I can just double click. Will take me down to the bottom.